American Thunder is dedicated to the motorcycle lifestyle. And this year, we'll be stepping it up a notch on an all-new American Thunder. I'm Colby Donaldson, and I'll be taking the helm. You may recognize me from Survivor, where I almost took home $1 million. But my passion is building hot rods and bikes, so for me, this is a dream job. Joining me this season will be the charming Charity Hodges. Charity will become part of the biker culture right before your eyes. Another addition to the team is the very lovely country music personality, Alana Grace. The underground motorcycle culture is alive and well in Puerto Rico. Hardtails, a pig roast, flash floods, and tattoos are all part of the adventure. Montgomery Gentry, Willie G, Toby Keith ride for Charity.
We drive a little faster than the Caravan.
Puerto Rico is best known for its balmy weather, beautiful beaches, and Caribbean flavor. But underneath this vacation paradise exists a subculture of custom motorcycles. Jose De Miguel of Caribbean Customs owns a shop tucked in a back alley just outside of Old San Juan, where he creates some of the industry's most unique old-school choppers and bobbers. My pal Jay Barbieri and his friend Chris Maida, editor of American Iron Magazine, visited this little island to discover the lifestyle that few bikers know about. But getting to Puerto Rico from Los Angeles isn't exactly a quick process, so I think Jay was ready to stretch the chain by the time he finally got his feet on the ground.
Jose, about time. I know, I hear you. So I've been on a plane, in a car, but dude, I got a ride. Here we go, my friend. All right, Old San Juan is first. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day, like always. I really enjoy this ride, even if it's, like a morning ride and just clear your stuff before you go to work.
Yeah.
Take to our left, we have the local capital. Now we're entering Old San Juan. You'll see the first port called the Castillo de San Cristobal.
That is beautiful.
That's part of the whole Spaniard defense system. The government here, it keeps strict construction and architecture laws, so the city is maintained as it was before. It's even to the colors and facade. And
yeah, I see the colors.
Look at the waves. That's amazing. I've lived here all my life, and every time I see this stuff, it still goes like, yeah,
that's still beautiful, right?
So cool. And then at night, the city turns into a party city. We will. There's like bars and restaurants and clubs, and we got the 2 parlors.
Oh, great. That's just what you had to tell me. Like, I need that. You never know what could happen. Maybe.
We have 170,000 registered motorcycles in Puerto Rico.
Really?
I think that's pretty good for a 100 by 35 chunk of land in the middle of the Caribbean.
I think that's very cool.
We're going over the original 500-year-old cobblestones that the Spanish ships used to bring here as ballast, and they will unload, pave the roads, and then fill the boats with gold and go back, which I think is a pretty good trade-off.
Yeah, that's a good trade-off. It's nice to go home with gold.
I really dig this street. And now you're actually looking at the San Juan Bay.
That's just beautiful right here.
As evening approached, Jay decided that he wanted to visit a biker hangout slightly off the beaten path.
It's time.
I tell Damien and then he's gonna hurt you.
Hey, Damien, by the way, what are you riding out there?
It's a 79 shovel. It's a no-budget bike.
A combo like rat rod, shovel head, just cool as can be, man. Just banged up and ridden.
I ride it almost every day, ride hard, have fun.
All right, well, I'm gonna get some rest. And then we will pick this thing up back in the morning.
Yep.
All right.
It is hot. And you're being a wuss.
In the morning, Jay heads over to Jose's shop to get a good look at the best custom cruisers Puerto Rico has to offer.
This is Jose hard at work in his shop.
But first, Alana Grace and I meet and ride with some of country music's biggest stars in Las Vegas. But next, it's back to Puerto Rico, where Jay checks out some of Jose's hardcore rigid customs and works on a 2007 Harley Davidson Deluxe. Welcome back. In San Juan, Puerto Rico, Jay Barbieri's been having a bit too much fun.
Boy, this is really not going well.
And now it's time for him to check out Jose's shop, Kuryakin Customs. If he wants to get more riding in, he'll have to earn his keep by wrenching on a 2007 Harley Deluxe.
Jose, thanks for the ride yesterday. That was awesome. Downtown, old San Juan.
Yep, no problem, man. Welcome to Puerto Rico once more.
Thank you. Your shop, it's killer. You got a lot of old iron in here. I've seen panheads, shovel heads. I mean, I grew up with these bikes, early 70s, stripped down, clean. Tell me about that gold bike right there.
That's actually a 1950 panhead. It was an old original chopper that was here in Puerto Rico. It just did a whole rebuild on the motor, the frame, repainted. They're all jockey shift, they're a suicide clutch, no front brakes, nothing on the bars, and a kicker. But that also separates enthusiasts from a guy that actually has to learn how to ride the bike.
You got a pretty kick-ass purple pan back there.
I basically made that bike as a tribute for Indian Larry when he passed away. Like, I used the same frame he used. Cases are 49, which is the year that Larry was born.
Another little pan over here.
I built that pan for the Journey Museum in South Dakota.
This bike just looks like a bike I would ride. It looks like something I grew up with. The culture was never about, you know, big bikes and I look really cool the minute I got on a bike. The culture was about rebellious, what you didn't have a lot of money. You got what you could together and you got on two wheels.
Coolness and soul cannot be bought with a platinum card.
Looking down here, what year is that?
74.
74 Sporty. That is beautiful. You got the bars flipped upside down. I love the pipes.
Found that in a garage. It's been sitting for 17 years. You know, labor, paint here and stuff there. And you know, you can have a bike under 10 grand if you're willing to really think your way around it.
And the thing is, you can work on your bike wherever you go. So it's not like you have an EFI, you have to reprogram. If you go down pretty much a few parts, screwdriver, 9/16 half-inch wrench, you can get it going somehow. So that kind of leads me to what we're gonna do next. We have a 2007 Deluxe Harley Davidson. We've done a lot of Kuryakin bolt-on parts on the show, but they've got some brand new stuff that we want to show you guys this week. So let's get to it.
The only trick here is that all the instructions are in Spanish. American Thunder in español.
En español. ¡Viva Puerto Rico!
Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Need to get the belt in first. Ahí. Thank you.
Finally finished the bike. We put a lot of stuff on this bike.
One of the things I really liked about the whole thing is how easy the LED brake light for the tombstone and the signal lights came in. Basically 3 bolts in and just plug a socket.
That chase coil cover with the lights on it, a lot of bling. couple of the other brand new things that we did that lower belt guard cover and that rear fender cover, which kind of matches. It's kind of fluted, so it has a nice line to it.
And I think those wheels look bitch, you know, the slider covers. And it was simple. I mean, we took us 20 minutes to do it.
And then we got that chrome caliper cover that came with it. And that whole front end, now with the Riviera wheel, it looks completely different.
Yeah, and kind of like a lowrider look now.
We did the chrome levers, made a big difference. We did the covers on all the controls. And the other thing we did that we've never done is the flame shift linkage.
Yep.
And the flame shift linkage is really cool because it's kind of offset with that inner primary cover.
It's got like a three-dimensional feel to it. It's
rounded.
Texture.
Yeah. That's a brand new fairing from Kuryakin. Came in black paint.
George and Pepo did it clear.
And George did that pinstriping. And in the fairing, you've already got your amp, you've got your speakers, right?
MP3 connection.
You do satellite radio connection, FM stereo, CD player. So what was this like to take a bike and do something completely opposite that you normally would produce?
We just had a good time.
Yeah, we had a good time.
The cool thing is, you know, putting something together with friends.
So where are we going today?
So we're just gonna go up to the hills. We're going to a typical place called Guabate.
Jay will chow down at a pig roast and brave some treacherous weather later. But next, it's back to Las Vegas for the Academy of Country Music Chairman's Ride. Today's Progressive Insurance trivia question is, does a kickstart bike always need a battery? We'll have the answer when we return. Today's Progressive Insurance trivia question is, does a kickstart bike always need a battery? The answer, with points and a magneto, a battery is not necessary. While Jay wrenched the night away in Puerto Rico, coming up, we'll head back to Puerto Rico, where Jay gets out of the city just in time to enjoy some of the island's more tropical conditions when the new American Thunder returns. Welcome back to the new American Thunder. Back in Puerto Rico, the bike build is finally finished. So it's time for Jay to get back on two wheels and head up into the mountains around San Juan for a bit of off-the-beaten-path riding.
First it was old San Juan. Now we're gonna go up to the village. We've got 20 of the boys with us. Totally killer. So this is like you do a ride every weekend, huh?
Yeah, the island is not that big, but we got a lot of roads, especially through the mountain.
So now where are we going?
We're going to the town of Guabate. I hope it's not raining up there.
So what's the matter? You guys don't ride in the rain?
Nah, but it just looks better with no rain. This is just the beginning of the Central Range.
So Jose, weather changes pretty quickly, huh?
Yeah, it's looking funky right now. But have you noticed the drop in temperature?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah, not bad though.
In just like 15-20 minutes.
I like the homes up here. This is super cool.
If you look to your left, you're gonna start seeing where we were before, the valley.
I like it. It got a little rain right now. It's an adventure. Yeah, baby.
Mira, yuca!
I want to have some lunch. I see the pig
Yeah, the pig is right here. You're gonna meet the owner, Ricardo.
Crispy cuerito.
Nice. Ricardo, he owns a guavateño up here in the mountains of Guavate.
Hola.
And he's got the answer to your question about what guavate was.
What does guavate mean?
I heard the guavate is the name of the cacique.
A chieftain.
Indian chief.
Yeah,
Chieftain.
that's what I heard.
Look, dude, it's raining. Check that out. Your dad was a trooper. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna hope that it stops raining. And then we're gonna get back on the bike and ride.
Unfortunately, the rain continued, so Jay and the boys had to saddle up for a long, wet ride. As they pushed through the storm and the washed out roads, the only casualty was a waterlogged bike.
We like it though. We ride in the rain. You got raindrops all on your legs.
Soaked to the bone and without rain gear, there was no choice but to get back on the road and ride it out. For my money, there's no greater pleasure than firing up a bike, hitting the open road, and seeing the world. Whether you're sightseeing in old San Juan, roaring down the Vegas Strip, taking in the splendor of a state park, or getting caught in a Caribbean rainstorm, the lesson is the same. Life is best lived on two wheels. Enjoy the ride. Later.